Hello, my name is Kurt Bischoff. Today you will hear how our UCODE product family connects food products to the Internet of Things. Internet of Things for all. So what does it mean? Everybody can easily understand that electronic devices, computers are connected to the Internet. They are part of the Internet of Things. So that is easy to understand. But how can we connect everyday items such as food or apparel or shoes to the Internet of Things? This is done by using RAIN RFID technology, and I will show you how that works. Smart labels are attached to the products, and such a smart label, you see that here on the left-hand side, consists of a tiny chip, less than a square millimeter, a small antenna, and nothing more. The whole label looks a bit like a traditional price ticket. It doesn't have a battery, it does not have no cables, and it's very low cost. And it's already applied today in billions. A reader device reads out the identifier or whatever is stored on the chip and sends it to the cloud. So it connects the product with the internet, and hereby it becomes part of the Internet of Things. Now this is very convenient, but it does more. Different to barcodes readers, an RFID reader can read the items super fast. Up to 1,000 items per second can be read by such an RFID reader. That enables a lot of possibilities, especially in retail, where you have many items in the retail stores and you want to know the location and you want to do this inventory management very fast. As I said, no batteries, so the power needed by the chip is transmitted over the air and comes from the reader devices. And the chip does kind of a energy harvesting action here, and that works. Also, no line of sight is needed, so you can also read things that are behind other things, like you have sometimes on very densely stacked shelves. So we have this technology that connects everyday items to the Internet of Things. What does that bring to us? Which benefits are there? Let's start at production. Already here, you want to collect lots of data, data about quality checks that have been done, or data about ingredients, raw materials, or for example, when it's about food, where was it processed or where was it grown? Location is a very important information, especially stock location. Retailers always want to know where their stuff is or where their stock is stored. For more sophisticated items, you want to know about services that were done or you want to know how to use them. Location history is especially important for food items. People like to buy regionally food that didn't travel a lot of miles to come to this supermarket store. Age and expiration date is also very important. Food items are often perishable, especially fresh food, and therefore you need to manage those items in a way that it doesn't expire and that it doesn't have to be put to waste. And there are many more examples. I want to dig to some of them deeper later on. Of course, in-store availability is important. You want to know what is available in the store before you travel there. And then later after sales, you want to have warranty without keeping the receipts to make it more convenient for you. But now let's dig a bit deeper in some food examples. And here I want to focus on two categories. One is quick service restaurants, so fast food chains. And the other one is food retail, grocery stores, supermarkets. Challenges are there for both. So for quick service restaurants, the biggest challenge is demand forecasting. It's the most critical thing for a quick service restaurant because the demand for certain meals can change very quickly. And then you don't want to end up in a situation where this or that meal is not available anymore. So far, they have been doing only manual stock counts in the stores or in the back rooms, and they have to put things on waste. Overstocking is also not the right method. If you look at food retailers, out of stock is also a problem, although smaller here, but expired products are a big problem for food retailers. And then when they offer click and collect service, you reserve online and then you collect it in the store, it's packed for you. Well, if the inventory data was not accurate, the retailer doesn't deliver on commitment and consumers get disappointed. And also, if you look on the big supermarkets, the checkout process is very slow and inconvenient for consumers. So how can we overcome those challenges with solutions? Well, for quick service restaurants, accurate inventory is a key ingredient. With RAIN RFID, you can do inventory management at a very high speed and very frequently, as this technology is very fast. Accurate and up-to-date inventory data is the foundation for proper analytics and actions. As a result, you have a faster reaction of the supply chain to instant meal trends. You get a strong reduction of this situation where meal currently is not available. You improve the expiration date management, so you have a real first in, first out process. Then you also save time, so the store employees can use more of their time to serve customers. Yeah, inventory data accuracy increases. At the end, your sales in your fast food chain will increase. Where are we with this today? Well, several of the big fast food chains are testing RAIN RFID technology already, and we are even beyond that. We expect the first bigger rollouts happening this year, 2021, and that will happen at fast food chains that have 2,000 stores or more. So it's very close to become mass deployment. So how can we overcome those challenges for food retail, for grocery stores? Again, here, accurate inventory management is key, but also fast and convenient store checkouts are important. With RAIN RFID technology, you can check out many items in one go, and the items can even stay in your shopping bag during checkout. That makes the process of checkout for the consumer very convenient. And then what are the expected results out of this? Of course, customers enjoy a fast and convenient checkout procedure. The time for checkout is reduced dramatically. Inventory data accuracy increases. That's clear because you do frequent inventory counts with RAIN RFID. You can also have an improved expiration date management. And with this, you prevent overproduction and you also reduce food waste. Where are we here with the RFID technology in food retail? The first convenience stores are trialing RAIN RFID enabled self-checkout, and they are already live. And also some of the big box supermarkets test RAIN RFID today, and we hope that very soon this will go to a mass rollout also here. Now let me show you some examples for self-checkout. Let's start with the smart fridge. So that's kind of the smallest unit here. You identify yourself with your mobile phone, for example, and then you can open the smart fridge, take out the stuff you want to have, close the smart fridge, and then you walk away. All the checkout is done automatically. You get a receipt on a mobile phone, and money is also deducted from your account automatically. Very convenient. And it's already in use at some areas. Then the next level, a little bit bigger, unmanned stores. Those are still small stores, and consumers can get in there. They have to identify themselves before they get in, and then they get their stuff and they do a self-checkout using an RFID-enabled kiosk. And then the last one, again, a little bit bigger, but not very big, convenience stores. Same story here. Self-checked out, done by the consumer, checking out entire shopping bags all at once using RAIN RFID technology. Now, what has NXP to do with all this? Our UCODE family is already in use in RAIN RFID applications in retail in billions of smart labels, especially the UCODE 8 family here. But we also have chips that offer more memory that are used in Industry 4.0 applications where you want to store data also more on the chip and not only in the internet. And then UCODE DNA offers an AES encrypted authentication. Main use cases here are vehicle tracking, car tracking, for electronic road tolling, for example, or also for access to park garages. NXP, together with its ecosystem partners, connects everyday items to the Internet of Things, and that includes food items or even cars. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for your attention.